Alright, I'm back. Yes, I'm back. I had met a friend slash family member that was tying out the goats and the sheep, so we got into a long reasoning. So yeah, this might be part 3 because I had to start all over again. Like I was telling you, this is a piece of land right here that I really want to focus on, but not sure yet because this gonna take a lot of work. But anyway, like I was telling you, my uncle, all here used to be planting and banana. Right, you see we have we have a couple coconut trees still, we have breadfruit tree, we have a big trumpet leaf tree there, yeah, herbs. Can't go wrong with the herb because right now corona, trust me, herbs is what's gonna mash up that coronavirus. So people in St. Vincent, anywhere out there that have access to herbs, man, y'all better start using them herbs. Do you hear me? Because herbs was given to us for a purpose. So yeah, man, just clean up your herbs and trust me. Plenty of the herbs is rich in vitamin C, and a lot of them also boost immune system. So yeah, get into your herbs. If you're not into your herbs, get into the herb because the medication right now, trust me, gonna make matters worse. Side effects. Yeah, so my uncle cut out this piece of planting right here, right? Because there was a moko. As a matter of fact, it was banana, and he said it was moko going on in it. So he had to give it a rest. Sometimes somebody said to me, sometime when you're doing something and you see for a while this is happening, that means you have to change the crop. So it looks like he decided to change the crop. I'm not sure what he planting over here, but when I see him, I would ask him what he planting, right? I'll ask him, but he looked like he just newly did something over here, and it looks really nice and clean, right? We have more breadfruit tree, more trumpet leaf tree on that side, right? So yeah, I ain't sure what he did. I can't say what it is. Dasheen, potato, tanya, yam. I can't say, right? But I know he here doing some cleaning still. He doing a little bit of cleaning. And most of the planting, like I said, right now this is like a one quarter of what's left of the banana right now that he had, because the whole thing had banana and planting, and now it's empty. So yeah, probably a change of crop. That would be the best thing, and that's where I want to come in. Me and my brother want to come in, change a crop. Yeah, but it's a lovely piece of land. It still has a way to go behind in all the banana and plant, all the planting that's banana that's left right now. As you can see, he have a couple of them still coming that he didn't really cut out yet. But he did complain about the disease and mashing up his crop and them. So yeah, it's a nice piece of land. Go all the way down by the stream, down by the river, across on the other side, and then come back over. So it's a lot of work, like I tell you all. See, I mean, I'm not gonna go that far, but I'm gonna show you that, you know, there's still some planting behind there, and then the boundary goes all the way up to the top, I think. Go back, there's a house at the top. You can't really see it, it's at the back, and I think that's where the boundary would stop, where a person build a house on the top right there. But yeah, this is my plan. I mean, right now what motivates me now is this coronavirus, because the coronavirus right now just show me that you see food, can't go wrong with food. You have to go plant up. Jah did tell us that, you know. Yeah, man. And Rasta, most of the Rasta people, that is what we were supposed to be preparing for a time like this, because this is what we chant all the time, and this is the time is now. You see all the signs and everything before you. It's actually playing out right now. So yeah, this is the time we have to do something about it. I'm ready. This is a almond tree. Not sure if it bear, but I'm sure it do. But they have a lot of, it look like it wants a little cleaning. I heard almond leaf is very good for high blood pressure, sugar, inflammation, and all them other things there. you know. So yeah, man, if you get hold of ham and leaf, somebody told me if you take it, try to dry it, but it's supposed to really carry down your blood pressure fast. I heard. I never tried, but something I'll try soon, right? Because I'm also a hypertension case, right? I have high blood pressure. I don't want to say it's hereditary or it's in the family, because it is in the family, but we could prevent these things. So yeah, I'm not claiming that right now. I'm working. I've been balancing it. I know what I need to do. Mine is more stress related and overwork. If I'm overworked, I find my nervous system is working harder, and that's what make my blood pressure go up. But yeah, I have that under control. I'm not really worrying about that. A couple of times I would experience some hypertension crisis, but that's when I get emotional and overwork. So I trying to balance that part of my life. There's stress and overwork. So yeah, we going down to the stream, the little river. It used to be a bigger river, but lately the place been really dry, and since then it been really taking it up. But you could see little water running down here still. The water running. I've heard that somewhere up the road there's a place where you could get actually water to drink. The water springing out of the thing. So yeah, I'm not doubting that right now, but it's a little stream. Right now it's little because of the dry weather. And I'm going back over to the other side where I'm gonna exit through the village. Yeah, but even all this piece of land here, this is all ours. This is all my uncle planting and banana that he has left. He don't have a lot left, but yeah, he still do what he have to do. See a big bunch down the road there. Yeah. So yeah, this is it. This was my morning journey this morning, and I'm about to go home, and I have some other work I have to do around the gate. So yeah, I take this time home today to do some work, so therefore this is what I'm gonna do. So yeah, stay tuned again. And the reason why y'all not seeing my face is because I'm camera shy, so y'all have to excuse that. I hope everybody have a blessed day today, right? And stay safe. Blessed.